Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be fixing the blower motor on our E93 M3. The motor makes a noise, like squeaking noise, every time you start the car and it's cold. With age, what happens is the blower motor starts to make noise and over time can fail. So it's good to lubricate the joints and the bearings in there, and that's what we're going to do today, just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Right now we're looking at some T20 bolts underneath. Undo those and then we can pull it down. The little tabs are right here, will come off. So this duct here, all you have to do is kind of wiggle it loose and then pull it down. You can just let it hang right there for now, because you need to move that out of the way to get the blower motor down. This power cord here, we need to remove by squeezing the tabs inside here and pulling down. These are the tabs. Next thing we want to do is look for the locking tab, which is right over there. So this tab right here, you want to pull that up and over this so that we can spin this clockwise and then pull it down. So this is what we're going to use to lubricate: heavy duty silicone spray. And this one has the straw so that we can really aim it where we want. We're going to be popping this little piece here, and then it conveniently shows the bearing inside there that we're going to lubricate, along with this top part here, this rusted area. Lubricate that a little bit, and on the inside center there. Spin it a little bit. Already spinning smoother and sounding quieter as well. Got it back in place. The main thing you're looking for is just pushing it up until the tabs on each of the edges hold in, and then once you feel that it's flush in there, then you can lock it. So unlock is turning it clockwise, and then locking it is turning it counterclockwise. So that's unlock, and then this is lock. So just as long as you push it in there flush and then you lock it, this tab here is going to prevent you from going any further. Now if I try to push down, this is not coming off. Next thing we're going to do is plug in your power cable, which is found right over here. Okay, so getting this air duct back in, you just want to push it into that tab over there on the blower motor, and then there's another one over here connecting to this white tubing. Those are the two connections right there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the panel that covers all this up. Okay, we've got a tab here and a tab over here that you want to line up to the ends over here. I'm going to plug in the light before I forget. Okay. Okay, foot panel is back on. Blower motor is lubricated. Let's go ahead and take a listen to the difference. Fan. Fan works. Put on the lowest setting. Wow, really silent. It's definitely quieter than before. No more squeaky noise, like it sounds like a chipmunk is inside of the AC vents. So definitely glad it's working. It made it quieter, and I have peace of mind that it will last longer too, and that the motor won't seize up. So if you have the issue where your blower motor is making a squealing noise on cold starts or cold weather, then most likely your culprit is that the blower motor is starting to get a little tight. You need to loosen it up or lubricate it a little bit. So I'll leave a link in the description for the lubricant that you need, and hopefully this helps you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Any suggestions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.